bring it down a bit so you can get a bit of action with the camera. It's not badly nose heavy. You know, you see some mechanical trims, it's run out of trim on the right aileron, but that's not a big deal. The rudder, mixed rudder does work. I think it might have a little bit too much of that, but it's not uncontrollable. Yeah, if you can get one of these passes I do again, that'd be great. We'll turn right. Okay, I think I've done with my test flight. Oh no, I haven't done. I haven't tested the stall yet, so I'm going to go and get some height and test the stall. I meant to do that before, but kind of forgot. Oh Christ, yeah, it does tip stall. Big style. That was a power on stall as well. I'm going to come. So you've got time to get hold of it.
I got it.
Glider. Here it is, Super Dimona. Got from a tabletop sale for 40 quid. Bargain. It's quite old. I'm thinking about FPV in there. It'd be quite nice. It's got a folding prop. Wood covered, plastic film covered wings. There. But yeah, it's quite a pretty looking thing. And just did test flight and it's really nice. It's got a nasty stall though. It's recoverable quite easily, but you wouldn't want that down below. Yeah, but it's very nice, very gentle otherwise.